Hello everyone, my name is Sofia Erota Setiawan. I am from Management G, and this time I want to read a text. The title of the text is The Day Haley Learned to Sing. Let's get started. In a busy city full of tall buildings and crowded streets, there lived a little girl named Haley. Haley had a special wish. She wanted to sing. But every time she tried, her voice was too soft and not as beautiful as she wanted. Every day on her way to school, Haley walked past a small park. In the park, birds sang lovely songs, their tones going up and down with the wind. Haley would stop to listen, dreaming that her voice could be as wonderful as theirs. One sunny morning, Haley sat quietly on a bench. An old lady saw her and sat down next to her. She asked, "Why are you so quiet, dear?" Haley told her about her dream of singing and how she was afraid because her voice was too soft. The old lady smiled and said, "Everyone has a special song inside them. You just haven't found yours yet." The old lady named Mrs. Finch over to help Haley find her song. She explained that singing wasn't just about being loud or hitting the right notes. It was about sharing what was in her heart. Mrs. Finch taught Haley to listen to the beat of her heart and the music in her thoughts. After school every day, Haley met Mrs. Finch in the park. They practiced breathing, listening, and making sounds that match the world around them. They listened to the rustling leaves, the chattering squirrels, and the flowing streams, finding music everywhere. Slowly, Haley started to find her voice. It was soft like a gentle breeze, but strong like the steady ground. She learned to sing in her own way, her voice blending with the park's natural sounds, adding to them without overpowering them. Then the day of the school talent show arrived. Haley decided to sing, not to impress others, but to share the song she had found inside herself. On stage, she closed her eyes and imagined being in the park, surrounded by trees and birds. Haley began to sing, her voice soft but clear, filling the room with her unique melody. The audience was amazed, not by how loud she was, but by the beauty and honesty of her song. When she finished, everyone clapped loudly. Haley opened her eyes and saw smiling faces, and there was Mrs. Finch clapping the hardest. From that day on, Haley sang everywhere, in the park, at home, and even on the busy streets. She sang not for others, but for herself, sharing her special song with the world around her. In the noisy and hurried city, Haley's song reminded everyone of the beauty of quiet strength and the power of a heart that sings its own special tune. Thank you.